Hi, my name is Parshant Vashishtha, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Mechatronics International. Welcome to Movement Matters.
This is multi-carrier 3D sort system, which is capable of sorting locations from 80 to 100. And it has got very less footprint, and within small space, you can use it efficiently for the better sorting system. And it has got multiple applications. Yeah, you can use it in like apparels or any kind of e-commerce products. Mechatronics International is a Faridabad-based Indian company. We are into multiple applications like sorting solutions, metal handling. The all systems that we develop are completely in-house. We have in-house capability of design, development, and all kind of innovation. And we have been doing it since last 10 years.